Control number 42658, please introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Irene Arteroyo. I'm 35 years old. I have two daughters, each 10 years old and 3 years old. I have two sisters and one brother, and I'm three member of my family.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm high school graduate from Francis National High School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
For myself and my kids.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, ma'am. I have experienced only the Philippines for 6 years.
Do you have experience of taking care of an old person?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to
Do
learn.
you have experience of taking care of a newly born babies and children?
Yes, ma'am. Give back, play with them, change clothes and diaper,
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills can you do inside the house?
cooking, baking, and car washing.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Yes, I cook steamed fish, vegetable, Filipino foods like adobo, minodo.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I'm honest and responsible and hardworking.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
We have a good relationship and they treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear ma'am and sir, I will ever choose me as a domestic helper. I will do my best, my duty is my responsibilities, and I promise I finish my contract 2 years.